for Asia Pacific Art Festival 2019. So I'm from France, so bonjour. For this first time, I'm really glad to have the chance to meet all of you here to the Seoul Academy in Vietnam. Asia Pacific Art Festival aims to promote harmony, peace, and global friendships through diversified cultural exchange program, workshop, and performing art competition. It has been successfully held for the past 6 years with the participants from numerous countries. The mission of this festival is to encourage youth participants to cultivate unity and peace through understanding all the diversity of culture, races, languages, tradition, and custom. And for our vision for the goal to attain peace and unity through mutual understanding of each other through the expression of our love for the arts. So now let me introduce all our judges before the competition starts. So please, ladies and gentlemen, may I present you Miss Yvonne Go. Please stand up, from Malaysia. Thank you. Mr. Ian Go from Malaysia. Thank you very much. Miss Adeline Lim from Singapore. Thank you. Miss Emily Lee from Hong Kong. Thank you very much. And Miss Dion from Brunei. And Mr. Pat Yongkitikul from Thailand. Nice. Thank you. Miss Teresa Bui from Vietnam. Thank you very much. And Mr. Purwasharaka from Indonesia. Thank you very much to all of you. So the last 3 judges I call, Mr. Pat Yongkitikul from Thailand. You're going to be the next judge for the group number 1, with Miss Teresa Bui from Vietnam and Mr. Purwasharaka. So please take your seat to be ready to the competition. Thank you very much. So today, for the judging criteria, there are 10 marks allocated to the performance, 10 marks for the interpretation, 10 marks for the musicianships, 10 marks for the accuracy, and 10 marks for technique. So for a total of 50 points. So now, without further ado, let's proceed to the first performance. I would like to invite number G1M1, Seray Bottom Bun, performing Raisin and Almond La Raspa from Thronos Music School, Cambodia. The stage is yours. Thank you. Thank you very much. For the next one, I'm calling G1 M2 Lee Hei Yuvi, performing sonate in C number 3 from Sung Nye, Vietnam. Thank you very much. For the next ones, I'm calling G1 M3 Q So Shet Piluna, performing Om Pampa from Thronos Music School, Cambodia. Next one is G1 M3 Chuang Phun Ni, performing La Prière d'une Vierge by Tekla Badarzao Si from Song Nhan, Vietnam. you very much. The next one is G1 M5 Hang performing Dance of the Signet by Tchaikovsky, Hoa Kang, Vietnam. Thank you very much. For the next one, I'm calling G1 MC Pham Hai Cho, performing the Blue Danube by Johann Strauss II from Siem Reap, Vietnam. Thank you very much. For the next one, I'm calling G1 M7, performing by Nguyen Nam Trung, performing the La Paloma by Yardier Sebastian from Hoa Kang, Vietnam.
Thank you very much.